2008 Dodge Ram 1500 4.7 liter. Still got the stocks, converters there and there. Then it runs into a 3-inch all the way back, and then we added a 3-inch glass pack. Then wide it out into tools. Right there, 2 1/4. All the way back into 3.5 inch by 18 black tips. Right there. One right here. And one right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.
Inside this Dodge truck just got dualed out.
It's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it. I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit.